My name is Ariane. I am a luxury travel advisor based in Vancouver, Canada. And today we are checking out of Isla Chiquita, and I had an absolutely amazing experience here. Highly suggest their glamping. It is absolutely incredible. Definitely check this place out. And so they've already picked up my luggage, so now I am heading down to breakfast. And then I believe we take a 9 o'clock water taxi over to where our bus is. And then we are going to be taking the ferry back to Puntarenas today. So I have to get down to breakfast. So we'll see you guys there. After checking out of Isla Chiquita and having breakfast, we were shuttled over by a complimentary water taxi, boarded our bus, and then boarded the ferry from Paquera to Puntarenas. I've included information on the ferry and more travel tips for Costa Rica in my Costa Rica travel guide. Be sure to check it out in the description box down below. From Puntarenas to Doka Tarcoles, it was about an hour's drive. Doka Coffee is a popular coffee plantation tour in Costa Rica, and they also own and operate a crocodile and birdwatching river cruise. Within a couple minutes of being in the boat, we saw our first crocodile, and it was huge. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little unsettling how close we got to it. We also got an up-close look at another crocodile named Tornado, who unfortunately had a broken back leg due to being in a fight with another crocodile. The tour was actually really interesting, and I loved the bird watching element to it. I wasn't really a birder, however I got right into it and took some photos of some of the birds we were able to see on our tour. I highly suggest, if you ever do this tour, to bring either a good camera with a zoom lens or some binoculars to really take full advantage of what you can see. After the river cruise, we continued on to the Marriott Los Suenos. Here is a room tour of my room at the Los Suenos Marriott Ocean and Golf Resort. I was hosted in a 1 king bed, ocean view with balcony room. I love the hammock that's in the room. Oh, I hope I'll be able to take advantage of that. Huge king size bed. Lots of different USB and outlets in the room. I love that sitting corner. Huge TV. Coffee station. And then there is also a mini fridge here. There are also some lovely robes. And here there is a safe, which is very large, which is nice. This is the bathroom, which is massive.
On my way down to Hacienda Kitchen, where we were having our hosted dinner, I came across this boat that was filled with little love notes and messages. Hacienda Kitchen is one of the main restaurants here at the Marriott Los Suenos. The chef prepared us an absolutely amazing dinner, served family style. It was such an amazing dinner to end off such an amazing trip.
Good morning, everyone. So I had an amazing night last night. Dinner was incredible. So thank you so much to the Marriott Los Suenos, also for hosting me in this amazing room. I did want to point out a couple more features of this room. So this is a ocean view king. All the rooms here have this really fun hammock inside the room, and it's actually a cooperative of women who make them in Mexico. So it is a sustainability initiative that they have here at the Marriott Los Suenos. And I really just love the room. It's very comfortable. Obviously this room, instead of the one king bed, could have two queens. So it is perfect for families. And then there are connecting rooms as well. Mine doesn't. But yeah, I have to show you my balcony. It is amazing.
We had our last breakfast at Hacienda Kitchen again at the Marriott Los Suenos before heading out on a site inspection of the property. The Los Suenos Marriott Ocean and Golf Resort is such an amazing property. If you're ever visiting Costa Rica, I highly suggest coming and staying here. It's not far from Jaco Beach, so it's in a perfect location. During our site inspection, we were also able to view one of the newer swim-up rooms. We were then on a last-ditch effort to try to find a sloth. We all boarded a couple golf carts to try to see if we could see one. Unfortunately, we didn't see any sloths, however, we did see some iguanas and some monkeys. It was also really nice to see the golf course here. We were then on our way back to the San Jose International Airport. It was about an hour-and-a-half drive from the Marriott Los Suenos to the San Jose Airport. Our guide Ronald from Coast Mountains Expeditions was so amazing. He really made this trip to Costa Rica for us. He was very honest in his commentary, telling us the lights and shadows of Costa Rica. He was also extremely knowledgeable in the local flora and fauna. I highly recommend booking him if you're looking for a guide in Costa Rica. Thank you so much to the Costa Rica Tourism Board for hosting me on this familiarization tour of Costa Rica. I really enjoyed my experience and can't wait to return. So just a really quick update. We are here at the San Jose International Airport. We are waiting for our flight to arrive here, and then we have a very short connection in Toronto, like an hour and 20 minutes. So I'm really hoping that we actually can get out of the airplane quickly once we get to Toronto, because we have to clear customs, pick up our bags, recheck our bags, and then go through security, and then obviously board our flight, and we only have an hour and 20 minutes to do that. We will see if that actually happens, because usually I highly recommend at least a 2-hour connection in Toronto, because it can get a little crazy. It's a big airport, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. I am currently doing some vlogging right now. So yeah, trying to catch up on by the time this episode airs. You can definitely check out the link to the blog post on my Costa Rica trip in the description box below. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted once we get to Toronto of what happened. Once we landed in Toronto, it was quite a mad dash to get to our connecting flight to Vancouver. I'm not gonna lie, I've probably never ran through an airport that much. I highly suggest giving yourself at least 2 hours connection time if you are transferring through Toronto or Montreal. I really hope you enjoyed this travel series on my trip to Costa Rica. If you enjoyed this video episode, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in seeing more travel videos such as this one, please be sure to subscribe by hitting the subscription box down below. It does help support my channel. My next video series is actually going to be on the Scarlet Lady, so thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you again next week.